This is my husband Rob, who loves the Royals, hanging loose at sea, and grappling with velociraptors.
And this is my wife Marcy. She loves looking glamorous. Yes, she loves all kinds of dogs, as you can see, and she loves Disney World's Dole Whip. Can't get enough.
And we're going to be traveling to destinations and all sorts of attractions to tell you all about it. So welcome to Travels with the Baldiloks. So we finally got in through the entrance to Silver Dollar City, and we're heading into the park. The first stop you have to go through is the Hospitality House. Inside the Hospitality House, you'll find Marvel Cave.
Silver Dollar City was built around the entrance to Marvel Cave. During the tour, which is about 60 minutes, you're going to take about 600 stairs. But at the end of the tour, there's a cable car to bring you back up to the top.
And it is the Bluegrass Barbecue Festival.
Those cold kisses that you gave me, darling, proved to me you found somebody new. Well, tomorrow's just another lonesome day, and I know you won't be far away.
Over here we have the blacksmith, and we also have one of our favorite stores, the Brown Candy Factory. They're making candy in there, awful yummy. Good. Can't walk by here without trying some. Oh no, Robert's in the candy store. Here I am talking with my mouth full of peanut brittle.
Hey, I'm in the candy store. I found my wife's family. More nuts.
Joe Bunny. All of that. Here we are at the Brown Glass Factory. There's Glassblowers inside. Let's check it out.
Give this a quick shake with a little mold here. Pressurize that pipe. Look for just a little bit of expansion in the glass. Once I see that expansion, there it is. I give it just a little bit more heat. I'll sit down and try to start puffing that up. First thing I do is pull down the tip, that way the tip doesn't become too thin. Start puffing. Carbon constriction.
The Time Traveler, the world's fastest, steepest, and tallest spinning coaster. At 50.3 miles per hour with a 10-story drop, it's 100 feet tall, and it launches twice and flips people around 3 times, all while rotating through the sky.
Another favorite is the Tater Twist. Should take these potatoes and fry roll them. And squeezing them up. Alright, it is a barbecue festival here at Silver Dollar City. So we're going to check out the House of Barbecue.
It'll hurt worse.
Thank you.
Lost River of the Ozarks. The raging river splashes you through the powerful currents and you are gonna get wet. And then there's the River Blast. Riders and spectators are armed with water guns and it's an all-out water war. And one of our favorites is Fire in the Hole.
Alright, we're getting ready to ride Fire in the Hole. What do you think?
You don't want to know what I think.
It's dark, there's water, there's a roller coaster. We're excited. We like fire.
It's an indoor roller coaster. The ball divers set the town on fire and you gotta escape. And then there's Powder Keg. Launches from 0 to 53 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Enough said.
Oh well.
The American Plunge. You wanna get wet? Ride it. And it goes or reaches about 35 miles per hour. Wildfire speeds up to 66 miles per hour. Features a vertical drop of 15 stories, followed by 5 inversions, including a full loop, cobra roll, corkscrew, and high-speed spiral.
You can find these nice, quiet little areas away from all the crowds. And just enjoy a little quiet time.
Just a little.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
That would scare a church mouse off a piece of cheese. You shake your kiss down real good and go ugly.
What are you two doing dragging me down out here like this in the middle of snake country?
Well, now you need to simmer down a bit. We stopped you to warn you.
Yeah, warn me.
Yep.
Yep, about what?
Yankees!
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yankees.
Yankees?
Yankees. Down there around the bend, you got 9 of the big, you missed it by 1. You got 9 of the biggest old Yankees you ain't never gonna see. They got these big old wooden war clubs, and they're just a swinging and a swatting, but they ain't hitting nothing.
Why ain't they hitting nothing?
I think they're New York Yankees.
Oh! If you snuck up on them.
Boy, stinky.
Oh, I'm sorry. Sneaky. If you sneakied up on them, what'd they say?
You tell them, Ralph.
They said, whoopee! Yeah! Hey. That's what they said.
Word for Yankee word.
Boy, I don't understand Yankee. What's it mean?
Well, we ciphered it out.
I bet.
Yeah, we did. We think that means they're going to swoop down on your train.
Whee!
Burn her to the rails.
Yeehaw!
And steal all the women.
Hey. Women.
Yep.
Boy, I'm not buying this Yankee story at all.
You don't have to. It's free.
Yeah.
Here you go. Watch out.
Gold, silver. Well, now what about you? You look loaded. Gold, silver.
And now we are going in here for some Hannah's ice cream.
Picture of it.
Got the food here at Silver Dollar City. And he's got to put my, no. I don't think so. Put that back. He got him a root beer float. He needs it. And it's homemade right here at the park. Before leaving the park, you gotta check out this bakery.
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Are you taping? For those of you that love to sin, this is the place to do it right here. This is so dangerous.
Look at this. Look at those cookies.
You know, if I want to come here and say my goodbyes to the world, I would definitely have to get one of these because the calories alone will just blow my body.
Travels with the Baldiloks. Like us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. Until next time.